guys, we are super excited about today's video, but before we get into it and making some awesome butane bubbles.
This is one of Grant's favorite projects.
We're gonna talk to you about something that's super important to the both of us.
So my husband, Grant Thompson, had a passion for life and hands-on learning along with self-discovery. Along with his passion was a literal burning desire to share as he learned. One of the greatest expressions of this desire was to share the process of discovery with the TKOR, us, the King of Random community, which to this day reaches millions of people every month.
In memory of Grant and his legacy, TKOR's partnered with Outward Bound to create the Grant Thompson Scholarship, which will enable someone in our maker community to share in the discovery of their own path in life through hands-on learning and self-discovery.
So the Grant Thompson Scholarship recognizes students who might have an unknown future path, but have a strong passion for the outdoors and zest for adventure.
One $5,600 award will be applied towards the expenses of Outward Bound USA's 30-day Pathfinder course. This takes place in Leedsville, Colorado, and the course includes desert and canyon backpacking, river navigation, and whitewater rafting. Participants will learn critical outdoor skills while discovering unrealized abilities.
So these were some of the things Grant loved to do. So if you or someone you know would be interested in being awarded this scholarship, please fill out the form that's linked in the description. The scholarship recipient will be notified no later than 8/15 of 2021.
Eligible recipients must be 18 to 25 years old, COVID-19 vaccinated, physically capable of multi-day rafting and backpacking expeditions. And if you want more information on Outward Bound and this amazing opportunity, click the link in the description to make sure you apply for our scholarship and check out what this course is all about.
And as we share in the fun of what we do with this community, we have a really fun project that we've got set up. This is one of Grant's favorite party tricks, and I've brought him some special little helpers to show just how exciting this really gets. Hey boys, come on. All right, so these are Grant and I's little boys. These are 3 of the 4, not all 4. And this is one of Daddy's most favorite party tricks. So whenever we had dinner guests over, hang on, he knows what to do. This is dangerous. And actually, lighters are just for Mom. One of the things that we would do when we had guests over is we'd have this bowl full of water and bubbles. And then we'd fill it with more bubbles. And then we'd have the lucky participant, Riley.
No thanks.
No? Who wants to go first? All right, Mommy will do it. Grace, you're in charge of the lighter.
Can I light it?
So
I'll light it, okay?
We'll let Grace light the first one. You get to light the next one, okay? All right, so the lucky participant takes their hands in. We get bubbles on. Now, the most important part is you wipe the bottom.
I've done this before. It hurts.
Yeah,
no.
It doesn't hurt as long as you wipe the bottom. If you wipe the bottom, then it should.
There's some right here, Mom.
Okay, then it should.
Good job, good job.
It should flame. Okay,
Hey,
see,
Mom.
we've got our safety patrol here. Thanks, guys.
Mom, can I blow it out?
Yep. Did you see the light on my hand?
Yeah.
Did you see the fire? So this is also another interesting thing. So when you have smaller bubbles like this, the flames will concentrate and be hotter. So the bigger you can make the bubbles, the better the flames will grow and go out faster. So these are a little small, and honestly, this could make your hand a little hot. It did get my hand a little hot. It didn't hurt at all. As you can see, there's nothing on my hand.
Looks
except for a few more extra bubbles. But the bigger the bubbles are, the faster the flame goes out. So hang on. Okay, who wants to go next? Jace, do you want to try?
No.
Oh yeah.
Yes, those are good bubbles.
Yes.
Those are perfect bubbles. Okay, Grace, go ahead and scoop right in there.
All right, I got mine. Hold on, we gotta wipe my hand right.
We gotta make sure we got the safety. Woo! Yeah, that was a good flame.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Okay, so now once we had these bubbles all set up like this, Grant would take the unknowing guest and say, just scoop up some of these bubbles, and then he'd say, light it on fire. Go ahead. Woo! I smell more burning hair. Is that this hair?
I know, it's mine too, I think.
So along with all the safety precautions. As you can see, I've put my hair back because my hair is pretty long. I actually burned the ends of it in that last fire explosion. So I don't want to do that again, and it's not actually safe. So we're going to try it one more time with my hair back for safety. When you are scooping up like this and like lighting the fire, it doesn't actually hurt, but it's startling. It's just startling, but the more you do it, the more used to it you get. So I'm going to do one more.
Oh yeah, that's a good scoop.
Okay. See, it's just kind of, woo! You know what? So another thing about that is what they're doing, they're lighting it from the side, so it's really close to the skin. You gotta light it on top, and then it's a lot less heat. Like, there's a lot less heat in it. Yeah, it's a little less intense. So for this last one, I know. So for this last one, I'm gonna let Grace do it from on top so she can get away, and then we'll know.
No complaints. Perfect.
Okay, so you stand right there by Grace. Jace, come here.
Against it.
Okay. Whew, here we go. I'm getting used to it more and more with each hand on fire lighting session.
I think my favorite thing about the butane bubbles is that it's something that can hurt you, but because we're doing it safely and with precautions, it's not as scary. And that's what I think is so beautiful about the butane bubbles.
It's not scary, but it's very thrilling and exciting, and yeah. Woo! See, now that didn't hurt at all, but it's the startling of like having your body on fire that you're just like, ah! And I don't know if I'll ever get over that. I think Grant did, but I don't know if I will.
Thank you guys so much for sharing this super fun project with me. I know Grant loved it, and I love doing all the cool projects that you guys like to do as a family.
Yes, and thank you so much for having us on the show. It's great to be a part of this community, and we're so grateful for you guys being here and letting us share one of our favorite family projects.
All right, let's light this sucker off.
All right, okay, here we go. You ready?
All right, everyone back.
Okay, here we go. 3,
I've got a safe distance.
2, 1. Ooh. Let there be fire!
Look at the bubbles burn.
Okay, nice.
Isn't that cool?
This is awesome.
Yeah.
I love it. What an outfit.
Yeah, babe, now you can.
Look at it just go around in circles. How it burns in a circular pattern. That's so cool.
Because it's doing layer by layer on the smaller ones as each one pops.
Amazing.
Yeah. Which that's actually so cool and very satisfying.
It's so satisfying. This project was a ton of fun, but we want you to remember what this video was truly all about.
And that is the Grant Thompson Outward Bound Scholarship Fund. This shows the passion and the fire that Grant had for the life that he lived. And this is part of the legacy that we want to share with you and our community, not only through the projects, but through what we're doing with Outward Bound. Thank you so much, you guys. I don't think you need any more. You don't have enough liquid, so hurry and do it before you...
Wait, Jace, tell me, what's your favorite thing about the bubbles? Lighting them on fire.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll blow it out. Ninja kick.